Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Nintendo account used to set parental controls and signing into the Parental Controls app on your phone. Open the app, then wake the switch and go to System Settings to the Parental Controls menu. This pairing is how the app communicates restrictions. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain active so the app can detect the console. This initial connection is required to change settings remotely and avoid having to factory reset the console. Next, in the app, choose the paired switch and tap restriction settings to edit or remove limits. You can lower or raise age ratings, disable time limits, and turn off purchase restrictions. Choose Disable or set all options to Unrestricted to effectively remove controls. When the app prompts, enter the Nintendo account password or the parental PIN to authorize updates. Make sure changes sync. The app will push settings to the console and confirm when the switch accepts them, completing the middle of the process. Finally, verify on the switch. Open System Settings, right arrow Parental Controls, and confirm restrictions are cleared. If the app reports success, but the console still enforces limits, restart the switch and the phone, then reconnect and force a sync. If you cannot authorize changes because the PIN is forgotten, use the Nintendo account recovery options to reset the PIN or follow the app's instructions to request a reset code. This step resolves the most common failure and prevents unnecessary resets of the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.